Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can fix Google Play services for AR required issue. See, when you're playing games or using augmented reality, means the 3D objects in the imaginary space, usually you'll face this problem. So first you need to click on the Android phone settings, then click on the apps here, and then click on all the apps. Here you can click on these three dots at the right top corner and click on show system apps, as this is the system app. Yeah, see here, once you click on the show system apps, all the system apps will be shown here. First of all, this is Motorola mobile and this is on the Realme mobile. On the both the mobiles I want to show you this. And for most of the latest mobiles you won't face this issue. You will maximum face this issue for the old voice versions or old hardware versions. So here what you can do is just search as Google Play services for AR. Google Play services for AR. See here, even without me searching, this came up here, right? So what you can do is you need to open this and click on storage and cache and clear cache. Once you clear cache, just scroll to the bottom and check for the app details, so that this will be opening on Google Play services. If there are updates available, just update and restart your mobile. This will work fine. If not, what you can do is open Google Chrome and search here like Google Play services for AR. So open this on the Play Store, and if there is update available, just update this. And coming to the what you can say, the Realme mobile, this is quite older mobile. So on this, what I will be doing is I will be opening the Android phone settings, and here the same, see all apps, and app management. Slightly the options are different here, but yeah, click on show system and just search as Google Play services. Google Play services. See here it is not available, Google Play services for AR. Here what you can do is, here you can manually install by going to the Chrome browser, and here you can search like Google Play services for AR. Yeah,